Imagine turning your product into a stunning video ad with just a few clicks.
The Fur Jaden bag has awesome features like a USB charging port.
Meet Fliz, your AI-powered video creator. Start by entering your product link and selecting your preferred video style and format. Click Fliz it to set things in motion. Next, personalize your video by entering your product's name, adding your website name, and uploading your best product images. With one more click on Fliz it, watch as your product video springs to life. The AI handles all the heavy lifting, editing, transitions, effects, everything you need for a professional video.
Discover the Lectronic 4K camera. Your perfect shot awaits. Capture unforgettable moments with the Lectronic 4K camera. It offers stunning 4K resolution and a 56-megapixel sensor for exceptional picture quality. Doubles as a webcam and features a 4-inch touchscreen for ultimate convenience. Experience it now on the website eCami and take your photography to the next level.
Once you are satisfied with the result, simply download your video. In just a few minutes, you have transformed your product into a captivating visual story. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.